umuntu engaziphethe kahle umzimba wami uhamba ubanjwa izakhe zami zingcolile. Baba wonke amantombazana awazi.
Like holding all the women you don't know.
Baba wonke amadoda ongawazi.
You hold all the men.
Awazi ukuthi asefelwe abafazi
How
abangaki.
many women died upon that man?
Lo wesifazane ohamba umbamba awazi ukuthi usemhlane ingane.
How many children she's killed?
Mangaka ababhadi ukuthi imawulelo
How many
wakhe.
red flags when you are fetching from her?
Uma ngimele abantu abami angahlawule beza ngibakhuluma ndawo inhliziyo ayimlahle mntanami inhliziyo yami
My heart
ikhululekile.
is free.
Into engikhuluma lapha usikade nabakithi bayibona inhliziyo yami.
They see my heart. Let me tell you, as we are here,
uJehova umvekani
Jehovah Almighty,
ubheke inhliziyo zethu.
looking at our
Khona
hearts.
inhliziyo yakho.
What is in your heart?
Ayikho into esinengiso.
Is there anything that is an
Esesizweni
embarrassment
yakho.
that is in your heart?
Ngakho ngoma. Inhliziyo yami ngizawuyenza imsulwa. Yona ngizawuyenza imsulwa. Inhliziyo yami ngizawuyenza imsulwa. Yona
I have a girlfriend. You will never preach the truth. You will never speak the truth when you don't live it. Just like a woman and a man who sleeps around. You will never tell your children. Your child will also say you're cheating, mother. In churches, listen to money goes first. Listen, let me tell you. Challenge because of the truth and our actions. Money belongs to the world. As when they leave this world, they are going to be left with my wife. They are going to be left with my wife. As your father dies, another man enters. That is going to destroy everything of yours. Don't forget. Don't trust anyone. Love a wife. Love a husband. When it comes to trust, how many people are left with children? Where are the fathers of the children? They trust that man. Where is that man today? Don't trust anyone in this world. A person changes. Listen, Makawe. The ancestors where we are money will never by living the truth will make us enter. It's far. There's a song that says, a person is not satisfied if he didn't manage. There are people that are still held. They are sitting with people. They are still cheating. The priests are there. They are still there. They are preaching. When they leave, they are going to take off their suits. They are going to take off skirts. I'm speaking the truth. Who are that? But they don't get answers, but they carry on cheating. They carry on cheating, but they're not getting it. Carry on living there is no answer. They carry on drinking alcohol and drinking day and night. The answer of alcohol is not here. The answer of cigarettes is not there. The cause is not there. You won't need. But they're not getting any answer. And women and girls. Money finishes. The money will be raising your family. As fast as you are working. Money is spent by you. You don't sleep at night. You went to taverns. There are some girls that are cheap. They are cheap when it comes to alcohol. Those girls, I'm comparing them to those clothes. I don't know if those clothes are still there. The clothes that are spread on the floor. Everyone comes and holds. They are very cheap. There are some women that are very cheap. That are sold with a low price. They are found with a low price. Just like those clothes that are there. Those are second-hand clothes. They are also getting old. The clothes was worn before. It's got marks. There are some women that have marks. They are getting old now. They are already being made old. They are ready to chill on. You are thinking you are getting money. You think you are spending. That man is spending on you. You thinking you are spending, but men are finishing you. The person who's been finished on, they end up walking like this. Now they finished. Girls during their times. Now they finished. During their times. Don't see it like this. When she thought she was finishing money, they finished her. Appearing with their hands in hospitals. Others that are finished can see them. If you're to see women that are finished and men that are finished, go to taverns, you'll find them. You'll find them. You'll find them holding a bottle like this. Takes now and breaks it down. This woman is known. Greetings. Help me, Father. My child. These doors must be closed. Enemies, doors. Your door must be closed. Close doors on enemies. You must wait for God and your ancestors. Don't just agree to everything. The person who agrees to everything, they end up doing nothing. That's why the Lord of the Nazarenes, you must give us a mind that is wise. We are in the world.
awuboshele umuntu wesifazane
You never came being
awuzange
held
ufike
to
uboshele
a
endodeni
You were never held
wafika
to
wedwa
You came by
uyohamba
yourself.
wedwa
You will
futhi
go by yourself.
nasebhokisini
Even in the
uyongena
coffin,
wedwa
you'll enter
naphambi
yourself.
kwenkosi
In front of
phambi
God.
kaJehova
In front of
uyoyimela
God.
wena
You stand for yourself.
umuntu uyosimela ngaphambi kwasomandla umuntu munye
Tell you there,
akukhulumi nami kuphela
I'm not only speaking to
into
you,
abantu abanye
I'm watched by all
awufuna
people.
inhlanhla
When you want luckies,
zilungise
fix
wena
yourself.
hlobo lwakho
You yourself.
lungisa inhliziyo yakho
Fix your heart.
lungisa ukuhamba
Fix
kwakho
the way you go.
lungisa ukulala
Fix
kwakho
the way you sleep.
lungisa ulimi lwakho
Fix your tongue.
lungisa izandla zakho
Fix your hands.
awufuna inhlanhla
If you want luckies.
ngisho emsamo wakini
Even your family out.
bayoshisa impetho
When you burn the incense,
funeka lilungise
you must fix yourselves.
singahlali nezinto enhliziyweni
Don't stay with things in your hearts
niwumndeni
as a family.
niyobuka emsamo
And meeting at the
kodwa
outside,
anizwani
but
ekhaya
you don't get along at home.
wonke umuntu ofuna impumelelo
Everyone wants success.
zilungise
Fix yourself.
kunezinto
There are some
okumele
things
uyikhiphe
that you need to take out.
kunabantu
There are some people
okumele ubakhiphe
that you need to take them out.
kunezindlela
There are some
okumele
ways
zikhishwe
that you need to take them out.
kunezinto
There are some
okumele
things
uyikhiphe
that you need to take them out
ukuze imbewu
so that the seed
yesibusiso
of blessing
ihlale phakathi kwakho
Stay inside.
bese iyamila
and then it
yina
grows.
nakumili nje kuwe ngoba ufuna ukukhipha
Because you don't want to take out.
kunezinto ongafuni
There are some things
ukuyikhipha
that you don't want to take out.
ezigugu kuwena
There is a grudge upon you.
konje ma ngikhipha lokho ngizophila kanjani
How am I going to live if I take out
ngoba
this
vele
thing?
ngithakelwa uyena
Because this is the one who gives me
ngizophila
this.
kanjani
How am I going to live?
ngoba ngidayisa intamo
Because I'm selling weed.
ngizophila kanjani
How am I going to live?
ngoba mina ngidla ngentamo
Because I'm living because of weed.
ngizophila kanjani ngoba amadoda ezimali
Because men
ngizophila kanjani ngoba amadoda
because this man,
manje owesifazane
there's a woman that says,
ahlayele ithuba
will just make a grave.
indoda iyamshaya
A man is beating her,
kodwa nje ushayela imali
but she's just staying there because of money.
le mali yona ezombulala
The money is the one that is going to kill her.
indoda imkhahlele owesifazane
A man kills this woman,
kodwa ngoba uthola imali
but because she gets money,
entabeni kaJehova ngiyabonelela
God's mountain God sees through.
Kungenzeka ukuthi uhambe nabantu
You may go with people, but they don't want you.
bafuna
They only want that.
uyazi ufuna
They know what they want.
kuyenzeka umfazi
It may happen that a woman
kuyenzeka abantu besifazane baqhabe
married
around wena bayarawunda imali yakho
they are circling your mind.
lokhu wena umkhulu
And
iboss
you think
iboss
you're a boss,
umkhulu
a stinking boss.
bayakuquda wena
They are just finishing you, men.
khona amadoda asekuquda
They are men that are
namhlanje
finished.
wena mali
Today they don't have money.
ayekade nemali
They had money.
zafika ezasemhlabeni
People of the world came.
amakati khona
The
amakati
cats. There are some cats.
afika amakati
Cats came and scratched.
namhlanje nganalutho
Today they don't have anything.
bayiquda yaphela indoda
They finished everything.
namhlanje unemofu balingadlala ngethuba
I played with an opportunity.
ukuba akasebenzi ukuba change
Because
your position nesibane nje silapha abantwana salihambe lelo hambo salihambe lelo hambo mntanami
this journey, my child,
fika amagili
the gears came.
sashintsha amagili
We changed gears.
ngoba khona isikhathi lapho kumele ushintshe amagili
There are times when you need to change
impilo yakhe
gears
phambili
so that your life goes forward.
ufaka u-1
You need to put one gear, 2 gears, 3 gears,
4
and 4 gears, or 5 gears,
6 forward
and 6 forward,
6
and say 6.
ungahambi ngo-6 njalo
Don't always be on 6th gear.
uyawehle
Always come in, go to 4,
uthi 3
and 3,
uthi 2
and then 2,
uthi 1
and then say 1, and begin from, and then go up again.
awushintsha amagili
Change your gears.
shintsha igiya shintsha indlela ophila ngayo
Change the way you live.
entabeni kaJehova ngekho
God's mountain, God sees through.
uNkulunkulu uyamlahla umuntu
God doesn't reject a person.
abantu bayamlahla umuntu
People may reject a
Jehova
person.
uyamlahla umuntu
Jehovah doesn't reject.
amashoza bamlahla umuntu
Ancestors don't reject.
abathonga bamlahla
Ancestors will never reject you.
kodwa umuntu
But a person
olahleka lapha emathongeni
that is lost in
ulahleka
ancestors.
kanjani emathongeni
How are you lost in ancestors?
awuna order
Hauna maitwaro.
uhamba ulala
You sleep around
uhamba umukela noma yini
and you receive everything.
ake uthi uma uhamba
When you go,
uhamba uyiphele
check yourself.
ube
Be
yindoda
proud.
ube umuntu wesifazane
And be a woman that is proudful.
hayi uhambe eshayela amakhwele ake uhambe uthi sihamba nengilosi yasekhambeni hamba noNkulunkulu wami hamba nabakithi nasendlini yakho isabashidi wakho abamhlophe amashidi wakho babulakusabona endaweni la
Don't
uqasha
just
khona
make
amashidi
people sleep on your sheets.
amashidi akho abamhlophe
Your sheets must be clean.
sanibona
Greetings. Raise up your hands.
lithi inkosi ngisiza
God help me.
isithunywa sami
My messenger,
ngiphe ingqondo
give me a mind.
onke lamazwi
All these words
akhulunywa uwe baba
that are spoken by you,
ngomlomo
Father,
kababa
with the Father's mouth,
mabavulele
may I receive it
mawangusise
as blessing.
noma ngekho kule ndawo
Even if I'm not in this place, wherever I
bavuleke
am,
inhlanhla
when
yami
my life is open,
bavuleke isibusiso
my blessings must open up. Put down your hands.
angiyena umuntu ebhayibhili
I'm not a biblical person.
kodwa khona izwi namhlanje
There's a
ngivela
word that I came with.
iswake mntanami
Yes,
funa izindlebe zakho
Open up your ears.
angibuye lapha eNazaretha
Let me come back to
sabuya
Nazareth,
khona ekhaya
where I come back from.
ake sibuyele ekhaya
Let us go back at home.
angikhohliwe impande
I
yami
haven't forgotten about my
angikhohliwe
roots.
umsamo
I
wami
haven't forgotten about my out.
noma wabusaphila
Even my mother is still alive.
angikhohliwe umama
I haven't forgotten about my
ngiyabonga
mother.
umama ekhaya
I take care of my mother at home
ngoba yena wangondla ngisesiswini
because she took care of me while I was in the womb.
amazi noma uyangizwa
I
na
don't know if you hear me.
ngiyabonga umama
I take care of my mother.
usaphila umama
She's still
baba
alive.
akasekho
My father's
yazi
no more.
kuba imondla
You know why I'm taking care of my mother?
wangondla mina
My
ngisesiswini
mother took care of me in the womb.
ngadla kuye ngisesiswini
I ate from her in the
ngisesibelethini
womb. In the womb.
kusakanjani kuwe
How about you that you don't know your mother, not knowing your father?
wazala ubani wena
Who gave
why
birth to you?
uphikisane noma wakho
Why you get
why
so-
ulwe noma wakho
Why did you fight
why
so-
ungaswani noma
Why
wakho
don't you get along?
ungaswani noma wakho
If you don't get along-
awuswani noNkulunkulu
You don't get
ngoba
along.
uma wakho uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu
Because your
wasemhlabeni.
father is God in this world.
Nobaba wakho uNkulunkulu
If your father
wasemhlabeni.
is God in this
Uyathanda
world,
uthando.
you like it or you don't.
Yebani,
My child,
isibuso sakho
your blessing
singuma
is
wakho.
from your mother.
Yabona uma wakho.
You see your mother.
Bane wathi angizalanga.
If she said,
Nawe
I
lamathubu.
my intestines were rotten,
Usuqala ekuseni.
you're already cursed.
Ungakwenza konke ube nenkani. Kodwa ungabi nenkani kunyoko.
Don't be cheeky
Ungabi
to your
nenkani
Don't be
kuyihlo.
cheeky to your father.
Ngoba wadla eswini.
Because you ate in the womb.
Wavudla eswini zakhe.
You rose in the womb.
Yingakho lithi izwi.
That's why the word said,
Hlonipha uyihlo
respect your
nonyoko.
father.
Ubuzinsuku zakho
So your
zayeswini.
days are prolonged.
Hlonipha uyihlo nonyoko.
Respect your father.
Ubuzinsuku zakho
So your
zayeswini.
days are prolonged on earth.
Awazi.
You can't.
Angazi ukuthi ngenza njani.
I don't know how I can do. There's no one without a mistake.
Kodwa kuhle ukuvuma iphutha phambi kaJehova.
It's good to agree to
Amamistake owenzile uphila enyameni avuma usaphila mntanami uzothola ifreedom nenkululeko
so that you get free
ngaphakathi enhliziyweni yakho.
inside your heart.
Usibona simela
Seeing us standing here,
siyawazi amaphutha
we know our mistakes.
amaphutha
Mistakes
awakufundise
must give you a lesson of doing good
akufundise indlela
and give you a way.
ungafeli emaphutha.
Don't just come die in mistakes.
Songalala manje
I can sleep now
umoya wakho uthula
and my spirit will have peace
ngoba ngiyasazi
because I know
ukuthi
myself.
awekho amafukufuku
Because there are no things,
noma manje
even now,
khona abantu abangathi babelala
there are people that if they sleep,
abazange bafunde saphila
they never agreed while they are alive.
naphambi kaJehova
In
bafumana
front of God, they never
kwana noma
agreed.
esekhuluma uJehova enqabeni
But when God
abazange
spoke
bafuna
to them,
ukuyihlambulula
they never wanted
kwana
to
kufika
confess.
beniswa iqiniso nasemndenini yabo abazange bafuna
They
ukuyihlambulula
never wanted to
bayothi noma
confess.
behamba emhlabeni
Even when they go to
izono
soul,
zabo
Their
ziyobalandela
sins are much
kodwa abanye
better.
izono zabo
But
yisobala
those sins are out there.
aspire
Let's make them whole. You go back to him by agreeing. Coming to report. We just buried our mother. My mother is seen in the kitchen. They see her life opening pots, running to all over the house. She was here. When I was sleeping at night, I dreamt. I was looking for Prophet Clark. Because my mother was something. She's left without saying something. That's why she's coming back. Because they don't play on the other side. End of life. He holds the tricksters in their tricks. On the other side, there's nothing that is not going to be known or revealed. Even if your lawyers here, kill people and do everything. Even if you kill children or terminate pregnancies and sleep with people's wives and people's husbands. On the other side, spiritual realms. This woman is coming back. She's blocked on the other side. In the spiritual realms. He's in the valley of sorrow. Her spirit hasn't entered their spiritual realms. Hasn't connected with their family members. Because she never confessed while she was still alive in this world. It's good to confess. Let me tell you. Another song says,
Bonke ama nethemba elinjalo ayasehla okulula impela bayalahla isondo nemithwalo nakho konke okuhamba bese bonke
there is no will that is better than it's not better. A person must be better in the church. Even your home, even if it's beautiful and be many, people that they need to live. The home may be big, but people don't know. They are fighting inside. Another is jealous of the brother or the sister. The things that I'm saying, you know them. The family fights. You know your they are gossiping each other. There is no church that is better in this world. A person in Malene has to be in the heart. If you're not living in the house, you're going to separate. Another's going to cheat. Because no one will have the truth. They go sleep all day. The truth is lost. And when the heart is living in the mother and the father, what is going to make you fight? Because when the heart is living, you'll never cheat on a woman. You'll never cheat on a man. Because your heart is living. Your heart doesn't allow. The heart has God. That's why the word says the first intelligence is to be afraid of God. The first intelligence is to be afraid of God. There's a word that says, I'm closing with this. Who stand in your holy place with the heart that is cleansed. Who stand in this place? That is holy. Is that with hands that doesn't exist in the heart that is cleansed. Your family house, if you're going to your hearts are separated. Father, speak. Marriage and love will never stay in the heart. When a person is not straight, even the priest is not straight in the heart, will always watch. What is the preaching? He's watching. Now he's watching. Priest is watching. You think he is preaching, but he's watching. He wants. He has a flesh. Not because he likes. Last. There are others that he's going to get that likes things. These girls of today in churches, they like priests. They don't like because liking lessons. So that they sleep with the priest. All churches things like that. Trap of is girls sleeps Tomorrow he raped. Many priests falling because of laws in churches. Marriages fall because men and women, they take your man. Others are doing that in church. I'm speaking here. A person entering here. Come here, my child. I'm making an example. A person enters with their partner. You see them. They enter church. Sit down. Another woman now agrees to this man. Came with a partner. I speak of things that I meet in church. My man is already taken by another man here in church. Why don't you look for yours? Why don't you give an offering for yours? Why don't you things that do not belong to you? Sin me do I read for that person there. When a person comes in the office, you'll never get a chance here. A person will enter the office. After closing the door, they put on their skirts. The skirt is now short. You can see that they want. There's a type that always wants. They just want. They just want. They just want. They just want. They go to the top. Right down the Eastgate Mall stairs. They're going upstairs. Now they're coming down. They want. Watching me now. You want. They're at the mall.
When we are too much at mall.
You are there walking around at the mall. You're going to get them. The man that just leave. Just going to want. The man is married. He wants. Go to the mall. Please all people. Can I ask? Hello. He wants. He's satisfied. He's satisfied. He's satisfied. If you don't have anything and you're not getting it, Just come back. Nazareth.
Now we are home.
Where I come from. I don't care about you. The truth as it is.
I'm
If they open the chest, you'll see how much they are. And these drugs that you are taking, you are rotten. The alcohol you drink, your liver is rotten. You are rotten inside. You are rotten inside. The alcohol you take, now what's left is for you to be dead.
I'm speaking of things that are there. There are people that are working today. They go to the debtors. As month is ended, they're earning from alcohol. They go to debtors. They are holding the they're always there. They look at you on the table. How's the table? Slowly. On the table. They're drunk. If he loses the side, he's now made. He's done. You know exactly what I'm saying. Cleanse me, Father. May I get a blessing. All these words must stay in my heart. May I be cleansed. And my altar must be cleansed. And my lackings. For me being in this place, may the lackeys come up to me. May lackeys come to me. May my father's home rise. Lackeys must rise. Raise up your hands. Stay in your root. These people are not see how they are suffering inside churches. We not stay. We don't go to the house. emasontweni abahlupheki bo
churches,
baphethwe endlala
they are happy,
bethandaza bazile ukudla
fasting food.
abayitholi
They
impendulo
don't get
ngoba
answers
impande bayilahlile
because they rejected their
abasina
answers.
sonke mntanami
As we are here,
omunye nomunye
each and every
uzofuna impande
they are
yakubo
looking for their family room.
omunye nomunye uzofuna
They
impande
are looking for their
sizofuna
room.
impande
They are looking for
uthi
the room.
mayibusiswe
Must
impande
be blessed.
ayiphume emdliwa
Zombies must
aphume
be.
amazamnyama
Dark spiritual powers must be. My child,
ungaphili nabantu
don't be like people.
abathi haya
Let's say we don't go to the altar.
sabheke mntanami utshelwa yimina
I'm
abahlupheki
telling
ngoba
you, they are suffering.
bazile ukudla
They
bayahlupheka
are fasting food, they are suffering.
omunye nomunye phakathi
Each and
kwethu
everyone amongst us.
silapha ndawo sasingazani
We didn't know each other.
silapha sazani
Here we know each
omunye
other.
nomunye ulethwa impande yakubo
Each and everyone is brought by their family root.
omunye kwapheshwa amanzi amnyama
Another dark spiritual waters were made.
omunye kuphethe isibongo sakubo
The surname is
omunye
made.
kuneyingxabano
There are
zasemhlabeni
some family fights.
omunye abazali abashadayo
Others are parents who don't
omunye
marry.
amazi uyise
Another doesn't know the father.
yikho lokho esizokulungisa
This is what we are here to fix in this place.
wonke umuntu okhona kule ndawo
Everyone that is here in this
uzofuna
place,
imali
they're looking for the room.
wakhohlwa mntana
Don't
mikhaya
forget about your home,
wakhohlwa impande yakho ukuthi wena wazalwa
where you are born.
mawuzabe ekhaya oma wakho
When you are born on your mother's
ibambe
side,
lapho
that is your room.
ubaba wakho engazange enze lutho ekhaya oma wakho hlala empandeni yasekhaya oma wakho ungasuka empandeni yasekhaya
Move from your room.
nihlupha ngento yodwa
You are
nini
troubled by one thing.
nikhuliswa omama
You are raised by mothers,
bafundisa iy'kole
and they teach
sasa
you.
sekushinda iy'nkomo
Tomorrow the
zomabili
Father, Son, and Spirit.
sengiyahamba niyakuleya
You
baba
go to know that room.
akuyiwi sinoma kanjani empandeni kayihlo engazange enze lutho
Without the
hlala
Father.
empandeni kaba wakho
Mother's room.
hlala empandeni kaba wakho hlala empandeni kaba wakho
Mother's root.
mawukhuliswa unyoko
If you're raised by your mother,
hlala esibongweni sikama wakho
stay in your mother's surname.
bakhona basenkingeni namanje
There are people that are in trouble now.
abazali baze bahambe emhlabeni
Their
bengashadanga
parents
behlala ndawonye
is living together.
sebesembangweni namanje
Now they are fighting.
into zabayilungu
They think
abazali bazange
their
bashade
parents never got married.
hlala empandeni kaba wakho
Stay in your mother's root.
noma